So, good evening, students. Welcome to today's quiz. Today, we will discuss some questions of IAS Baba Daily Current Affairs. What is the primary advantage of space-based solar power (SBSP) over terrestrial solar power, as mentioned in the document? So, it requires no maintenance. That won't be applicable. There is nothing which needs no maintenance. Every efficient machine needs some at least a little maintenance. So this statement is extremely wrong. No maintenance. It can achieve a capacity factor of nearly 90% or more. This is doubtable. 90% or more. Okay, 90% or less can be an okay answer here, but it can be an answer also. Let's move on to the next option. It is cheaper than terrestrial solar. So how can be a space-based solar power be cheaper than terrestrial one? It needs to be manufactured, it needs to be taken to the space, and it need to be maintained there. You have to protect it from space debris and everything. So there is high expense involved in such type of solar power, and it uses no transmission infrastructure. That is another extreme statement. No transmission infrastructure. So this can also be eliminated. D and A can be eliminated. B and C. C can also be eliminated. So automatically B becomes the answer. Okay. This one, fifth one, is using common sense. No maintenance, no transmission infrastructure, cheaper than terrestrial solar. These are all wrong, logically wrong. You can arrive at the answer using your common sense. So this was the session today, students. Let's wind up today's class. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.